This calculator can predict the result of your Facebook ads, and all you have to do is punch in a few figures and boom, you can tell if your Facebook ads will be profitable or not. The first thing you need to do is head over to lazycom.io/calculator. Type in your monthly budget, your expected or projected cost per click, your conversion rate or your expected conversion rate, the average order value of your store, the monthly operational cost, product cost, and voila, you will see your expected total sales, acquisition cost, your ROAS, and your return on investment. Now, for me, the most important metric is the return on investment. I care about that. I don't know about you. This is how you can predict if you will be profitable with your Facebook ads or not. Now, with this information, you can know exactly what to work on to become even more profitable. Maybe you need to just take up your conversion rates a notch, right? Or increase your average order value. Now it's your turn. Go check it out and let me know how it goes.